In this video, I will be showing you how to change to dark mode on ClickUp. Dark mode has become a popular feature in many applications, including productivity tools like ClickUp. Dark mode is designed to reduce eye strain in low light environments and provide a more visually comfortable experience. Enabling dark mode on ClickUp can be beneficial for those who prefer a darker interface or work during nighttime hours. Dark mode is available for activation on all ClickUp plans. Every user, including guests, has the option to enable dark mode. To activate dark mode on either the browser or desktop app, click on your account avatar. Toggle the dark mode switch to activate or deactivate it. If you prefer that only the sidebar is dark, hover on the spaces and click the gear icon. Toggle on dark sidebar. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.